You see this big guy here? You see what this is? I'm not quite sure what this guy is, but it's some sort of weed. So what you can do, you can take a picture of it with your cell phone, like this. Kind of get a good picture of it. And what you can do, you can take it, copy the photo here, and you put it in ChatGBT. And you quickly ask, what type of weed is this? This here, you see, it's an American pokeweed. They're long drooping clusters of small white flowers. You see those small white flowers here? Should we remove it? Yes, we should. It can grow 6 to 10 feet tall. We don't want that. That's a weed. Is it poisonous? Yes, it's very poisonous, it says. It says all parts of the plant are toxic to people and pets, especially the roots. Mature leaves, stems, unripe berries. Very toxic. Masha, you need to get away from this. It's poisonous. In fact, we should go in and wash our hands. And then we can remove it. We'll be right back. So, now I have proper protection here. As we read earlier, this American pokeweed, it's very poisonous to people and pets. The berries, the stem, the leaves. It's not good. I don't even know how the heck we got this thing here. So let's carefully get rid of it and say goodbye. Gotta get down to the root system here. It's all the way over here. Jeez, that's big. You see? Look how this thing is. This is very poisonous to me. So what we need to do is gently try to get into this bag here. So this is pretty difficult to get in one of these bags, but you gotta dispose of it the correct way here. You might even want to wear eye protection in case any of the juices from the plant get in your eyes. I don't want this thing growing in my flower bed though. The missus, she allows me to do what I want in the flower bed. I plant lots of plants. Our neighbor, she gave us some free plants, so I put them in there. They got nice this year, bigger. So there's the pokeweed. We've disposed of it. Then we can take this to the mulch place. They'll make mulch out of it. Someone else will get a pokeweed maybe.